So here we're going to talk about the MST 575 model. This is a corded ULV fogger, ultra low volume fogger. While this doesn't have the benefit of being cordless, this does allow you to spray larger areas without having to worry about charging a battery. Typically a corded unit versus a cordless unit runs probably about half the price. So this is a very economical unit. It has a 2-gallon tank on it. It has a 2-foot discharge hose on it. Some of the features on this is the adjustable rate, so this can be adjusted for the micron size from 5 to 30 microns, and weighs about 10 pounds. You put 2 gallons of chemical in there, you'd be about 30 pounds total. So fairly lightweight unit, ergonomically very easy to use. Again, anytime you're using any of these corded devices to clean them out, make sure that it's unplugged. Discharge the chemical. We'll use twice. Now anytime you're flushing out a device like this, and as it says right here on the label, you got to make sure that this lid is on very tight because it pressurizes the tank.